Hey, it's me, SB. Welcome back to my channel. I am glad you are back. So this is going to be a quick video on this little project. I am working a colorwork pattern in crochet and in tapestry crochet. So I was actually scouring the internet for a way to make this a little better looking, because when I started it, you could see the strands and I did not like that at all. And as you can see now, if I have the floats here and it looks really nice and pretty on this side. And the key is just to float it and to kind of lock it in every few stitches, so that way you don't get that, that look where you can just see that line going all the way across. I was like, I could not believe how easy it was. But anyways, all you do is you work everything as normal, carrying your work on the wrong side, your working yarns, and you're just gonna crochet around it when you get to the point where you're switching, or the 3 stitches that you're working. And actually this one needs to go like that. And it is so simple. And the key is to always lock in the yarn that you're carrying across. The only thing with this is that you're going to have to make sure that you maintain enough tension on there to where the floats aren't like crazy big or they're crazy tight, because you don't want that to affect the stretch of your fabric. It really depends on what you're making. If you're making something that is stiff, then that might not matter so much, but you don't want your work to start puckering, if you do it too tight. It's really easy. You'll be able to see it better on this side. But just keep in mind that this is for a right and a wrong side type fabric. So I'm working on a jacket right now. I have to pick that up. So this is actually not going to be seen, this side. My husband saw it and he goes, "Oh, that looks pretty cool. Like, you could even just make this outside." And I was like, yeah, you could. It actually really does look really cool. But anyways, it's really easy. As you saw there, I just wrapped my color there, and now in my next stitch I'm gonna wrap the float and then kind of set it aside and then work across a few stitches here. I say it's going to be a quick tutorial, but I always wind up rambling. And then as you see, we're just going to kind of set it there, wrap it, and then set it back down and continue on all the way across to where our next switch is. And we got a little knot there. I usually just try to tuck those in without affecting the stitches. Anyways, guys, I hope this was a little bit helpful. I will put a little clip of me working a few more stitches here at the end without me talking. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next video. See you later. Bye.